According to Jim Rickards, there are 6 military AI stocks that will grow by 16,000% in just 18 months. But as usual, Rickards won't tell you the names of these stocks unless you pull out your credit card and buy his newsletter. But don't worry, I have good news. Jim Rickards left a lot of clues in his stock teaser, and in this video, I'll tell you the names of all 6 stocks for free. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, so you don't miss anything. The first stock Jim wants you to buy right now is AeroVironment, ticker AVAV. AeroVironment Inc., founded in 1971 and headquartered in Arlington, Virginia, is a defense and technology company specializing in unmanned aircraft systems, tactical missile systems, and high-precision drone technologies. The company has built a strong reputation for developing innovative portable drones and missile systems, including the widely recognized Switchblade series. AeroVironment's business model revolves around research, development, and the sale of advanced aerial solutions, largely serving government clients like the U.S. Department of Defense. The company benefits from consistent demand in the defense sector, demonstrated by a recently secured $990 million contract with the U.S. Army for Switchblade drones, which is expected to support revenue through 2029. In their latest fiscal Q1 2025 report, AeroVironment delivered an adjusted EPS of 89 cents, beating expectations of 62 cents, and reported a 24% year-over-year revenue growth, totaling $189.5 million. The stock has surged approximately 46% year-to-date, reflecting investor optimism. On the plus side, AeroVironment's strong government contracts and leadership in drone technology provide a solid revenue foundation. However, potential downsides include reliance on government spending and risks associated with geopolitical tensions. Additionally, the competitive and rapidly evolving nature of the drone technology market could pose challenges. Based on these factors, AeroVironment earns an investment rating of 7.5 out of 10. The company's growth prospects, bolstered by strategic contracts, are promising, but reliance on defense contracts and market competition temper the investment's appeal. The second company that Jim is hinting at is a company founded by the guy who invented the Oculus virtual reality headset. He started a defense tech company that makes advanced autonomous AI systems, like AI drones that can crash into enemy drones at 200 miles per hour. The Oculus founder being talked about is Palmer Luckey, and the company he started is Anduril Industries. Anduril Industries was founded in 2017 in Irvine, California by Palmer Luckey, the co-founder of Oculus, along with a team of tech and defense experts. The company specializes in developing advanced defense technology, focusing on AI-driven and autonomous systems. Their products range from drones to surveillance towers and AI software, all aimed at enhancing military and border security capabilities. Anduril's business model is centered on providing cost-effective, rapidly deployable solutions to defense and homeland security agencies. The company has secured major contracts, including a nearly $1 billion deal with the U.S. Special Operations Command in 2022. Financially, Anduril has attracted over $2 billion in venture capital funding from notable investors like Founders Fund, General Catalyst, and Andreessen Horowitz. In August 2024, Anduril raised $1.5 billion in a Series F funding round, boosting its valuation to $14 billion. This capital will help build manufacturing facilities for autonomous weapon systems, with potential locations being Arizona, Ohio, or Texas. The company's strengths include a strong focus on innovation, a rapidly expanding product portfolio, and significant government contracts that provide revenue stability. However, there are also risks, such as heavy reliance on government spending and regulatory hurdles in the defense sector. Additionally, competition in the defense tech space is fierce, and geopolitical risks could impact operations. Overall, Anduril Industries receives an investment rating of 8 out of 10. The high growth potential and strategic funding make it an attractive investment, but the dependence on government contracts and the regulatory environment introduce some risk. The third stock being pitched is a private company founded by 3 MIT friends. This third company develops AI-driven smart drones that operate without needing an on-site operator. Their technology impressed the Army so much that their drones were selected for the Short-Range Reconnaissance Program of record. According to Jim, this company is now the largest drone manufacturer in the United States and recently closed a Series E funding round, achieving a $2.2 billion valuation. The company being discussed is SkyDio. Founded in 2014 by a group of MIT graduates and headquartered in Redwood City, California, is a leading manufacturer of autonomous drones powered by advanced AI technology. The company's drones are designed to operate independently, without the need for an on-site operator, making them highly effective for applications ranging from public safety and infrastructure inspection to defense and emergency response. SkyDio's business model revolves around developing cutting-edge drone solutions for both government and commercial clients, leveraging proprietary AI software to differentiate themselves in the rapidly evolving drone market. In February 2023, SkyDio secured a $230 million Series E funding round, raising its valuation to $2.2 billion and fueling the construction of a new manufacturing facility in Hayward, California. This financial backing highlights strong market demand and supports the company's expansion. SkyDio's strengths include industry-leading autonomous technology, a rapidly growing customer base, and significant government contracts which provide revenue stability. However, challenges remain, such as high competition in the drone market and the risk of regulatory changes affecting operations. Additionally, being a private company means limited transparency compared to publicly traded firms. Overall, SkyDio earns an investment rating of 8.5 out of 10. The company's innovative approach and substantial funding position it well for future growth, but the inherent risks of operating in a highly competitive and regulated industry warrant some caution. Now let's explore the fourth stock. Have you heard of the AI-piloted F-16 that is now beating America's best fighter pilots? That tech was developed by a San Diego-based aerospace and defense technology startup. The founder of the company is a former Navy SEAL, and his company has amazing technology. The company being pitched here is Shield AI. Shield AI, founded in 2015 and headquartered in San Diego, California, is a defense technology company specializing in artificial intelligence for autonomous military systems. Their products include AI-driven drones and software solutions designed to improve the effectiveness and safety of military operations. The company's business model centers on developing and deploying advanced AI technology for defense applications, partnering with government agencies and expanding through strategic acquisitions. Shield AI has demonstrated substantial financial growth, securing a $165 million Series E funding round in June 2022, which valued the company at $2.3 billion, and an additional $200 million in October 2023, raising its valuation to $2.7 billion. The company has made significant acquisitions such as Martin UAV, creator of the VBAT drone Heron Systems, focused on AI for fighter jets, and Sentient Vision Systems, an Australian sensor specialist, enhancing their technological capabilities. In August 2024, Shield AI collaborated with the U.S. Navy to test AI-enabled autonomy software, further validating their technology in real-world conditions. Pros of Shield AI include a strong position in the growing market for military AI technology, strategic acquisitions that enhance their product offerings, and significant government contracts and collaborations. On the downside, the company faces challenges like high competition in the defense sector, dependence on government funding, and regulatory risks. Overall, Shield AI earns an investment rating of 8 out of 10. The company's impressive funding and strategic acquisitions position it well for continued growth, but potential regulatory hurdles and market competition remain as areas of concern. Now let's look at the fifth company that Jim was hyping up in his teaser. According to Jim, this company is an arm of a company founded by someone you may have heard of, Elon Musk. Musk's company provides new disruptive capabilities to the U.S. military in a brand new sphere of warfare space. Their space technology includes target tracking, optical and radio reconnaissance, and early missile warning. As you might have guessed, Jim is talking about Starlink. Starlink, founded in 2015 as a division of SpaceX by Elon Musk, is a satellite internet constellation designed to provide high-speed broadband access globally, especially in underserved and remote areas. Using a network of thousands of low Earth orbit LEO satellites, Starlink aims to deliver reliable and fast internet with low latency, revolutionizing connectivity worldwide. From an investment standpoint, Starlink has enormous growth potential, driven by rising demand for internet access and the expansion into global markets. However, there are risks, such as high capital expenditure, regulatory challenges, and competition from other satellite internet providers like Amazon's Project Kuiper. As a private company, investing directly in Starlink is currently limited to opportunities linked with SpaceX. Overall, Starlink earns an investment rating of 8 out of 10. The high rating reflects its disruptive potential and expanding user base, but it's tempered by the significant financial and regulatory hurdles the company must navigate. The sixth and final company focuses on AI-powered attack drones and was co-founded by former Google CEO Eric Schmidt. The name of the company is White Stork. White Stork is a veteran-led non-profit organization established in 2022, dedicated to delivering critical humanitarian aid directly to Ukraine's front lines. Their primary mission involves providing individual first aid kits, or IFAKs, and other essential medical supplies to soldiers and civilians affected by the conflict. Operating without intermediaries, White Stork ensures that donations reach those in need promptly and effectively. The organization has also engaged in rapid response initiatives, including evacuations and supplying generators to maintain vital infrastructure. A notable strength of White Stork is its direct delivery approach, which enhances the efficiency and impact of its aid efforts. However, as a nonprofit, it relies heavily on donations and grants, which can be subject to fluctuations and may affect the sustainability of its operations. Given its nonprofit status, White Stork is not an investment opportunity in the traditional financial sense. Therefore, assigning an investment rating is not applicable. Nonetheless, for those interested in supporting humanitarian causes, contributing to White Stork can be a meaningful way to assist those affected by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Now, if you found this video valuable and you're interested in building long-lasting wealth, I have just the thing for you. Unlike digital currencies like Bitcoin, which are based on pure hype, gold has been valuable for literally thousands of years, and many investors even call it God's money. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, I have a gift for you. Just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.